Do you love train travel? Do you have stories, experiences, and knowledge to share? Share your passion, your stories, your knowledge, and your experiences at trainreview.com now and help thousands of other travelers ride the rails. At Train Review, we're building the largest community of train travelers and creating the largest collection of information on train travel globally. We're building a place where you can share your reviews and experiences on hundreds of trains and in hundreds of stations globally to be read by thousands of other travelers. By sharing on Train Review, you're helping the world travel by train.